Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cover page with MS Word. You can easily do with MS Word the cover page, like the proposal of marketing or the annual report. You can do with this MS Word. So I'm gonna show you how to do, and it is very simple and very easy. So we're gonna do. Before I do that, I'm using layout, and from the layout I can use the size, and from size I'm going to use the more paper size, and paper size I'm using 5 white and 7 height. So here I'm using. Then margins, I'm using margin for now 0, and they also left 0, and bottom also the 0, and right also the 0. Because of this, so I can use the whole document for my design. So for now I'm using okay, and I'm using the ignore. So let's start. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the design with the paste color. Here I'm gonna use a paste color for my cover page. So what you can do, you can select from here, or you can use the more color from here, whatever you want. For now I'm using the one. Let's see, it's come up like this. And then what I'm gonna do, go to the insert, and here from here I'm using the rectangle, and from rectangle I just hold my cursor and use my mouse to resize it. And then what can I do, I just press in right, and you can use the insert with the wrapping text. Then from here, so what can I do, just click on it here and go with shape format, and in the shape format you can fill in the shape format with the color. So I'm using for now the white color, and then I'm doing it like this and do the little bit narrow, and here I'm using this. I can use the one. Okay, let's start. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm using the circle. So from insert, go to the here and use the circle one. For now let's see here, and with the shape, so I'm using the shape color in the white color here for now. Then what I'm gonna do, I just resize it with my mouse and take out the outline. So if I use the outline with no outline, so it will come up like this. Then I'll show you. Just go to again in the insert bar, insert, and go to the here, and using the rectangle again, and use this, resize it, and here you can see, and I'm using the different colors. So let's see which color I can select, whichever is issued from my cover pages, and I can, okay, this color. Then go to the edit shape, click on here edit point. So what can I do, I just, and I'm using the one. Okay, then right click and go to the shape outline. So I'm using the outline of little bit like the, okay, for now I'm using the white color, and I can do the outline like the different way. So I'm using the white, and what can I do, I just rotate it here. Okay, let's see, and I can just little bit zoom it, so I can use later on, resize it here. Then what can you do, I'll do then another, I'm going to insert the another one, and go to here rectangle, then using the rectangle and do with the shape fill with the same color, to the more color standard. So let's see if I use this, so it will come up like this. So what can I do, I just rotate it and take it here, and what I'm going to do, then take out the shape outline, no outline here, is now the divided. Then I'm going to use the picture. So from here pictures, I'm using online pictures. With the online pictures I can select one of from them. So from there I take it insert and resize it with this, and using the tight so it can be easily move it. And what can I do? I just take it to send to back here and resize it. Let's see here, and I'm gonna use only in the circle, so I just take it to font here. Before that, what I'm gonna use, or I can picture format it, you can use this thing. So let's see here, I'm using this one with the border. You can just resize it, or you can take out, or you can use the no layout for now. And then what can I do? With the right click, bring font, or I can use this bring font here. Now you can see this is the difference. And what can you do? Just again go back to insert. With the insert, go to the insert text box, and here you can say proposal marketing. I just say and do with the different style. Okay, that one I can just select it first and take it here and move it here. Just do with the different one so it can be visual, or you can select from the style whatever you want, or you can use first. What can you do? You can just select on here and save color with the same color we can match, and more color from here select, and here, and just do with a little bit big so you can resize it the font. Go to here home bar and use, or you can just say proposal marketing, use the uppercase, and this also use the uppercase, and change the font whatever you like. Here I can just use as the center, so what I'm gonna do, home and use the center. Here I can say this one, but where this one I'll take it to the font, so here. And then what can you do? You can go back again, and to from the insert you just take out the triangle. So what can you do? You just here you can see and move, resize it, is the, and you can change the color I'm using for now, and go to again the insert, and you can just click at the top and do with the shape the white color, and here take out the shape outline first, then take it to the send to back. You can use the node outline, and you can just resize it here. Now is like the cover page. And what can you do? You can also insert your logo if it's a logo. So let with the insert the logo, go to the logo like the, so you can also, if you have the logo, you can use, and you can use your own logo. So for now I'm using the one here, and before that I can just, I can use it, resize it. You can see you can use in top, or you can use in the down, so it's better to use in here. So let's see here I'm using my logo. In your cover page you can also add your contact information just a little bit bottom or somewhere. So what can you do? You just go to the insert and go to the icon, and here you can find the search option, And what I'm gonna do, I'm using the for phone number, I'm writing phone, let's see, and from here I take one, and now it's in the cover page. So what can you do? Before that, you need to wrap it and resize it, this size, take it down. So phone number, so what can you do? You just go to the insert and the text box, and here you can just say contact or something like this, your contact number, and move it in down and take out the save fill. So I'm using no fill, and take out the save outline, so using no outline. Here you can see, and also down you can insert the email, you can do with the icon, write email, and you can use wrap it first and take it, and I can use fixed position on page, then I take it to bottom, and this is the email. So what can you do? Now I'm going to again insert text box, and here I can say that. And what I'm gonna do it with the save fill will be nothing, and save set outline, this no outline. Now you can see this is the complete cover page of proposal marketing. It's very easy to do with the MS Word, you can do, and you can do also the different design with the insert and the design with in the Microsoft Word. So it's very easy, and you can use it in your cover page with documents, or in your article, or in your proposal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next video.